everybody! Welcome back to my channel, Cooking in Siargao. Good morning here in Sweden. Good afternoon in Philippines. Today, I am going to share the breakfast that I'm going to prepare for my children because they're going back to school today. Last few weeks, they are studying at home. As I said, breakfast is a key to a good day. So they need energy. So we need to give them a food, mga cooking ina, before they go to school. So now I am preparing a Tapsilog breakfast. It's a very classic Filipino breakfast I'm going to prepare to my children. So I have a tapa here. I already marinated this one yesterday because I'm planning to have a Tapsilog this morning. And I have an egg, and then I have a korv. We call this one korv here in Sweden, but this is like a beef loaf, but this is better than the beef loaf. Actually, it's more meaty and good taste, mga cooking ina. And I'm going to make a fried rice. In my fried rice, I'm going to put carrots because you know, mga cooking ina, we need to give vegetables as well to our children. So they like fried rice, so be wise, mga cooking ina, mga mother. And I have a chopped onion. This is a minced chopped onion. And I have a chopped garlic. And I have spring onions for garnishing so that our fried rice will look good, mga cooking ina. And some salt. And I have this Maggi sabor for the fried rice to more flavor, mga cooking ina, and of course some oil to fry our food. And then I have an egg because I'm going to make a sunny side up egg. So join with me, mga cooking ina. First, we're going to make a fried rice. We need oil, and we're going to add our onion, mga cooking ina. We're going to add our garlic. After this, we're going to put na our rice. This is a leftover rice last night. If you don't have a leftover rice, you can cook a rice and then you can make it like this if you want fried rice. Then, I'm going to put our carrots, mga cooking ina, so that our fried rice is colorful too. Diba? It's nice to eat if our food it's colorful. The best thing, it's healthy because it's vegetables, it's carrots, mga cooking ina. You see, diba? It's colorful and it looks beautiful. Add salt as well, just little bit. Pinch of salt. That's fine. I'm going to put na our Maggi sabor. This Maggi sabor is for the rice. Our fried rice. It smells garlic. That's it, mga cooking ina. Our fried rice is ready. Simple as that. To cook our beef tapa, mga cooking ina, we need medium heat. Then, we're going to add oil, mga cooking ina. Little bit of oil. So this is our beef tapa I make yesterday. We don't need to put a lot of oil in this because there is a sauce, mga cooking ina. Let absorb the water, diba? Nag-watery. Let absorb that one to our meat, mga cooking ina, because that's a flavor to our tapa too. So now, mga cooking ina, our beef tapa is soon finished. If it's look like this na, mga cooking ina, when we are frying, our beef tapa is ready. So we're going to plate this. Going to slice our korv, mga cooking ina. This is the one they called her korv. The korv is hot dog. It's like what is called this one? Beef loaf in Philippines. But the beef loaf in Philippines, it's in the can. So here it's fresh like this mga cooking ina. So we slice like this mga cooking ina. You can slice the thick you want mga cooking ina. O diba? It's like a beef loaf. In Philippines, we use the beef loaf to mix in the egg when we cook. We beat the egg, scramble egg, and then we dip the beef loaf to our egg, and then we fry. Diba? I didn't try that one here. Maybe in the next video, I will try that mga cooking ina. If it's worth. Because here we used to fry like this. Then we're going to turn mga cooking ina. Every morning mga cooking ina here in Sweden, we make breakfast like this. We're going not to pull out our korv. This is how we cook korv mga cooking ina. We're just frying. And now mga cooking ina, we're going to make a sunny side up egg. We do like this. We put salt mga cooking ina. And little bit of the paper. And now mga cooking ina, our fried rice is ready. Look, it's beautiful. And our sunny side up, and then our tapa, and then our korv mga cooking ina. So the breakfast is ready for my children mga cooking ina. And now my baby ko is here. Come here, Miles. Mga cooking ina, my youngest son is awake, and then he is ready to go to school, and then he need breakfast. So he is here. He can be our guest, mga cooking ina. Come here, baby ko. So, he is my youngest son, mga cooking ina. Look at him, how I feed him, mga cooking ina. He is taller than me because their mother is always cooking, you know, mga cooking ina. So, you try. You try, baby. What's up, Papa?
Yep.
Then, what you say?
It's very good.
You like it?
Yep.
So see, good morning and thank you to them.
Good morning, bye.
So now mga cooking ina, this is the that I prepare for my children. And thank you very much for joining me here in my kitchen preparing a breakfast for my children. And please like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell button for your notification. Bye! God bless everyone and have a good day.